Found a sock in my backpack, doesn't match a thing I own. Crumbs in all my pockets, like they're paying tiny rent to stay. Half a map on the counter, other half inside the car. Coffee ring on last week's list, circle around the word restart. We're just Velcro Galaxies, sticking random stars to Tuesday. Nothing late, lining up on beat, but somehow it all feels ours. Velcro Galaxies, holding fast to every misfit. If it clings, it's meant to be in this mess we call a heart. From the wrong pot, leaning toward the TV glow. Name it after something grand, still forget to water it most days. Text you in the morning, then remember what I said. Typed a joke, got too honest, blamed it on a sleepy head. Spread the puzzle on the floor, 3 pieces from 3 different worlds. Maybe nothing ever fits till we say it fits for us. Velcro Galaxies, sticking random stars to Tuesday. Nothing